Hello everyone. In this exercise of the Solidworks, we will understand how the job feature works in this sheet metal. Let's start. This is the Solidworks user interface. Firstly, change the color background plain white, and the unit system is from here mmg millimeter gram per second. Okay. For we take a firstly we will create a base flange, and the tabs we have to see there is sheet metal available or not. If not available, you click on any tab and right click and tabs, and you can go in the sheet metal. This way you can bring the sheet metal tab. But in my user interface, this tab is available. This one. Okay. I am taking this one top plane, taking the center rectangle, smart dimension. You take any dimension for this. I am taking arbitrary dimension 100 mm. This one. This is the 70. Okay. In the sheet metal, I go in the base flange tab. This is the base. You will see the thickness dimension is 1. I am taking 1 mm. You can reverse the direction from here. If you as per drawing, you can change the direction. And K factor is 0.5. Auto relief, I think there will be no use. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, from here you can change the radius of the inner band radius. This is the radius and this is the thickness of the sheet from here. Okay. Firstly, for the jog command in the sheet metal, here is the jog command, and you can see from here also the shape of the jog, what type of the jog is. Okay. I select this face, right click, sketch. For the jog command, first we have to draw a line, simple line. Okay, and then go in the sheet metal, go in the direct sheet metal, go and jog feature. Firstly, this is the fixed face. Firstly, you have to select the face which you want to keep the fix. I am selecting this face. Now this place is fixed, and this will jog. This any part of the sheet you can jog. This is the use default radius. You can uncheck it and change the radius, default radius. Okay, but I am keeping 1 mm. This one. Okay. Line 10 mm. I am taking the height at 10 mm. Now there is a 3 positions of dimension position. First one I will explain all the 3 types and the jog position. Another is the jog position. One is the dimension position. This is the jog outset. I will explain firstly this one. And this is the band line position, band center line. If I take the front, you will see the band is taking place on the center line, this line. If I check this one, you will see metal moves inside. If I take this one, the metal move beyond this line. This line, it means band moves. It means inner radius plus sheet thickness. Inner radius is 1 mm and thickness 1 in the band. And this band, this flange moves by 2 mm distance. This here, from here you can change the angle. Suppose you want to change this angle. This angle is from this surface to this surface, but I am keeping 90 degree. Okay, I am taking, suppose for example, firstly this one, center line. Band is taking place on this line on which I have drawn the sketch, and this position. Firstly, dimension position is this one, outside offset. Outside offset means, as you figure say arrow is mark here. If this surface to up to this surface, I will show the dimension. If I go in the evaluate isometric, if I go in the evaluate and check the dimension, this one, this outer surface, this one, and this one, you will see the dimension is delta y is 10. Okay. Edit. You can edit from here. Jag edit. Suppose you take the position this one. Second bend jag position metal inside. Now band moves inside the line. This is the jog position. Jog position, metal inside. You see, if you hover this position, you will see the metal inside is showing. It means band is moving inside the line. Okay. And second, I am taking the dimension position inside offset. Inside offset means from this line to the inside of this flange. Okay. I am taking this one. I will show this dimension. And get this line to up to this surface. If I check, evaluate, measure, this surface select and this surface. So it means this is dimension is 10. Okay, clear. Now I am taking again edited this one. I am taking this position, this position. This is the overall dimension. Overall dimension means out from this surface up to the end of the surface, line surface. This, if I take this option, overall dimension, and metal I am taking band out, this metal outside. If I am take front, metal is moving outside. Metal is moving the outside. Okay, I am checking this. Metal is moving outside, and this is the overall dimension. Overall dimension means this and this surface to this surface. This 10 mm, delta y 10 mm. In this way, you can jog it. I take another example. I select this face, sketch, and take the corner rectangle. Take the 3-point arc. Taking this, the radius is the 5 mm. Distance from here to here 20 mm. And this one taking 20 mm. And this makes a construction line. Its sketch is fully defined. Now I go in the sheet metal and taking the base flange tab, this one. Now this is the base. Okay. Now I want jog on this part. How will do? Select, sketch, normal. I take a line here. You can take any taper line, etc. Not a straight line essential. You can take in this way also. Taking straight line. Smart dimension. You can give the dimension. Suppose 20 mm. Suppose the dimension take 15 mm or 10 mm. Okay, this one. Go in the sheet metal. Jog. Select the fixed face. Firstly, select the fixed face. I am selecting this face. Isometric. You will see this. This one. One more point is that is the fixed projection length. Fixed projected length. Flange height is 10 mm. Suppose I take the overall. Overall, I have already explained you. and band is taking, suppose for example, I am taking the band material inside, this one, material inside, and this position overall dimension I am taking this. One is the fixed projected length. If I uncheck this, you see the on the screen. So this flange is not matching with this one. If I project, I check it, you see this one. This is matching. If I uncheck it, you can see this one. This is not good. If you uncheck it in this way, I am selecting this position, dimension position, overall dimension, and material inside. Material inside means material is inside this line. Okay, the angle is 90 degrees. You can change the angle also. Check the dimension, evaluate, measure. Outside dimension is this one. This one, overall dimension is from bottom to the top of this one. This is the 10. You can see delta Y. In this way, you can provide the jog in the sheet metal industry. It is very useful. I hope you would have enjoyed in this exercise. You please subscribe my this channel, and for the or more videos. And thank you for watching. Thank you very much.